All right, guys, hope everybody's having a good day. Today we are going to work on these bearing adapter kits, like the little bearing races. So I'm going to show you the mentality behind them real quick, and it'll clear things up for guys that's just getting into the two-piece clutch realm here. So essentially, I'm going to show you this on a bully. Okay, so on your bully 3-disc, you know, since it is junior sprint season, and these are junior sprint units, we'll just use these two. So with the bully, you put your thrust washer, thrust bearing, thrust washer, and then you slap your basket on there. Now, line your tabs up, get her to fall in. Apologize, it's a rough angle for me. So you want to look at your end gap there. Now this one here is going to require me to use some of these spacers right here to get them on, and then that unit will be complete. You see what I'm saying? So with your bearing kit, you're going to start off the exact same way. We're going to put the sprocket onto the basket. Now, this retainer stud, don't mess with it. That's the way they're supposed to go. So if there's some distortion or you start getting some basket wear, and this snap ring will walk, but that little stud in between the two openings keeps it from rotating. And I've seen a lot of people lose a race over a 5-cent stud there. So leave those alone. That's the way they're supposed to be mounted. And you're going to start just the same way you did. We're going to grab our adapter here and our thrust washers. So we're going to slap thrust washer, thrust bearing, see? And we're going to put the one on top. Now, essentially all you're going to do, same thing, the same mentality as a solid shafter. We're going to slide it right through the back just like that right there, right? And on this one, you can see I'm not going to need to use any rings. So let me grab my snap ring pliers here. Slap this on. Forgive me, this is not a angle that I'm used to working in. So now it's nice and free. It's not bound up. Got a few thousandths of play. Now that's what it'll look like when it's done correctly. Now over here on the crankshaft model, I'm going to try to adjust here. Please forgive me. So this is essentially how it would work. Is that goes on first, and then you line these guys up, and you got your key. Pardon me, need an extra arm here. Drop your keyway in, put your nut and bolt on, washer, and you're done. So, and that's essentially the theory of the kit. Now, we do for some of the other customers also is we'll preload some of these kits here also, to where all they have to do is change a basket assembly and they got their teeth and everything on it. So you can set it, see this one's already set up for 219 for our junior sprint guys. So I wish them the best of luck. Thank you guys, and I just kind of wanted to go over a quick video real quick, just showcasing how those little adapter units work. We get a lot of questions on them and just wanted to put something out there. But if you're in need of rebuild, give us a holler at the shop. We'll get you going. 304-769-5263. It's been a blessing to win the Tulsa shootout 2 years in a row now, and hopefully one of our customers will make it a third. So thank you guys again, and we'll be talking soon.